Poke 1 to 2 small holes in the bottom of the cup for drainage. Fill the cup about half full with soil. Moisten the soil with a little water until it's just damp but not soggy. Sprinkle only a pinch of seeds lightly over the soil and disperse evenly. Next, cover your seeds with another 1/4 inch of soil. Keep the soil moist using a spray bottle to lightly mist the surface. If you pour too much water onto the soil, it might displace the seeds. Cover the cup with the lid to create a mini greenhouse. Then place the cup in a sunny spot. Your seeds need full sun to grow, or about 5 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. The seeds should germinate within 7 to 10 days. After your seeds germinate, remove the lid. Allow your baby sprouts to grow to at least the size of their container before transplanting them into a larger space.